Fractions are everywhere. Let's go look for them. Come for a walk with me on the beach. When I walk on the beach, I like to squish my toes in the sand and look for shells. What animals do you think we will see? First, we see two puffins. Atlantic puffins nest in Maine in mid-April, and baby puffins, pufflings, hatch in late June or early July. What animal do you see in the tidal pool? This is a northern sea star. He has 5 arms with rows of tiny tube feet on his underside that he uses to move about. Can you spot the green crab? This crab is hiding in the tidal pool with the periwinkles. Watch out for his claws. He might pinch you if you get too close. Time to make a fraction. How many animals did we see? 4. Our total number of animals is 4. The denominator in our fraction is 4. How many of us have claws? 1. The number of animals we saw with claws is 1. The numerator in our fraction is 1. Let's build our fraction. Numerator, number of animals we saw with claws. Denominator, total number of animals we saw. Numerator is 1. Denominator is 4. 1 over 4. Our fraction can be written as 1/4.